Disclaimer. This is not an unboxing video, this is a feature review. I will go through the features. My videos are short, and reviews are crisp, to the point, filled with quality and complete information. Don't forget to subscribe. So without much delay, let's get started. India is the second largest market for Xiaomi, after its home country China. The company has been launching a number of tailored products in this region for years. Some of the devices even first debut in India. Hence, the company's laptops have first launched in India outside China. That said, like any new Xiaomi product, they were only available via flash sales up until recently. But now, interested customers can buy them anytime from either Mi.com or Amazon India. The Mi Notebook 14 and Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition are powered by Intel 10th Gen processors. The former model comes only in Core i5 option, with option NVIDIA GPU. On the other hand, the latter model comes in both Core i5 and Core i7 versions, with NVIDIA MX250 GPU. The thin and gentle laptops ended up released in India in early June. The laptops boast of slim bezels and 10th Gen Intel main processors, together with choices for a discrete NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. The Mi laptops occur in several configurations, and a one-color solution for every. The Mi Notebook 14 and the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon version have an anodized sandblasted coating and do not have a constructed-in webcam. The Mi Notebook 14 is out there in a few configurations. The 8GB RAM and 256GB storage product is priced at 41,999 rupees, while the 512GB storage design fees 44,999 rupees. The 512GB model is also out there with the NVIDIA GeForce GPU and fees 47,999 rupees. The Mi Notebook 14 arrives in a solitary silver color option. The Mi Notebook 14 operates on home Windows 10 household and functions a 14-inch Whole HD display screen with 16:9 component ratio. The laptop computer is driven by the 10th technology Intel Main i5 processor, coupled with up to NVIDIA GeForce graphics and 8GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 2666 MHz. It comes with up to 512GB of SATA SSD storage. There is a 46 watts battery in the Mi Notebook 14, that is said to supply up to 10 hours of use on a single cost. Connectivity options contain Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5, 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 USB 3.1 ports, a USB 2 port, an HDMI port, and a USB Variety C port for information transfer and charging. Audio is handled by two 2-watt speakers with DTS audio processing. The Mi Notebook 14 weighs 1.5 kilograms. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon version operates on Windows 10 Residence Edition, and attributes a 14-inch complete high-definition anti-glare IPS display with 91% screen-to-body ratio, and 60 Hz refresh rate. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon version is driven by up to 10th Intel Core i7-10510U processor, paired with NVIDIA GeForce MX250 GPU, and 8GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 2666 MHz. The notebook can be outfitted with 512GB of NVMe.2 SSD storage, that is bandwidth of 3000 MB per second. In phrases of connectivity, the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition has Wi-Fi 802.11 acres, Bluetooth V5, 2 USB 3.1 ports, a USB 2 port, an HDMI port, and a USB Kind C port for info transfer and charging. There is a chiclet-style keyboard with scissor system, and a critical travel of 1.3mm. There is also a multi-touch trackpad. In conditions of audio, the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition will come with two 2-watt stereo speakers and consists of DTS audio processing. Xiaomi has equipped the notebook with a 46 watt-hours battery, that is touted to deliver up to 10 hours of use on a one charge, and can go from to 50% in just 35 minutes. There are a few links that has been provided in the YouTube description box. This include discounts, as well as unique products that you cannot come across in Google search. I earn a small commission. If you buy anything from that link, please buy me a beer. If you have any clarification, comment below the video. I will try my best to clear your doubts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get my new videos. Also don't forget to hit on like button. Thanks for watching. You are listening to Jason Peter, signing off.